Hi everyone, my name is Francis Moti, and in today's lesson we are going to learn how to design a flyer that look like this in Corel Draw. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have my resources that I'm going to use right here. These are my resources that I'm actually going to use for the design. So let's go back to Corel Draw, and then let me come to my welcome screen and take a new page. Okay, so we are going to use 4 by 4 inches. So I'll come here and change the unit to inches, and then right here I'll just type the numbers in here, 4 by 4. Okay, and it should be RGB. The resolution should be 300. Okay, and then this should just be projector. Okay, so let's create it. Now we have our page, and the first thing I'll do is to come with my box. Okay, so I'll just click on the rectangle here, double click, then I have it straight on it. Okay, then I'll click on my pick tool right here, and let me come to my resources and pick what I have done previously. Okay, so I'm just going to click. Okay, let's click and drag it inside Corel. So click, drag it inside Corel. I'll just leave it. Now I have this here, so that our work will be very fast for us. Now I want to import different thing again, which is the logo right there. So I'll go back to my resources and take my logo. Just click and drag it inside. Okay, that is what I am doing here. Oh no, let me come here. Okay, so drag it inside. Wow, so I'm going to press my shift down and then hold the edge and drag it inside to make it smaller. Now I'll put it here. Let me go to height, put it right here. Okay, now I have this here. So let me bring the projector in. It is also in my resources. This is it. Okay, so just drag it inside. Okay, now I have it here. Now I'll just put it at the middle. This image I've been taken from the internet, and it is so simple to use. So, and it is having a white background actually, but because I'm designing on a white background, I don't need to do any cropping again. So I have this right here, and I'm going to take my ellipse tool here. So click and press down your shift key, then you drag. Oh, we are doing the wrong thing. Hold the control, okay, to have a perfect shape rather. All right, so bring it right here. Okay, resize it, color it as white, then the outline should be this color, the orange. Okay, so right click, just right click on the orange. Now you have it there. Come here and increase the width of the outline. It is too big, so let's take one. I think this is cool. Now duplicate this, so Ctrl D, or you copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but in this case I'm just going to do Ctrl D to have a duplicate of it. Now I'll drag it and minimize it. Okay, I'm just zooming in for me to power clip it inside the circle. So right click on it and then power clip, just click inside the circle. It is now in. Come here and resize it. Now I'll hold my shift down before doing it. Okay, all right, I just want the eye to show. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll click on this, then it will go. The outline is too big, so this. All right, so I have this. Let me go to height again. Now FM hot sales, right? So because I don't want to type anything in this case, I'll come back here and just come and pick this, copy it, and then come right here and paste. Alright, so I have it there, and then you see we have shop now somewhere there. So I'm going to just take my rectangle tool, come right here, draw something very nice like this. So click on the pick, take the shape tool, come here, click and drag it inside. Now color it, click on the cross sign right here to remove the outline. That is nice. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'll edit and write the shop now there. So I'll highlight and then take the advanced ones, the bold one. So I'm going to use Poppins. Okay, Poppins bold. Okay, I think this is cool. All right, let's take the extra bold because we want our client to see the shop now. Okay, so we have this. I'll bring it inside there, just here. And if it is not up, just right click on it, come to order, and then to front of page. Now you have it there. Okay, the same thing, order in front of this. Now I have it here. Let me change the color and see whether it is actually on it. Yes, it is on it. So I have it there. Zoom, hold my shift, drag, then just put it inside, use my arrow to fit it in. Now I have this here. So look at what I'm going to do. Have you seen the rectangle right here colored the orange where we have the contact details there? I'm just going to click on the rectangle here. We have, okay, the square actually, because it have the 4 equal sides. So I just click on the plus on my keyboard. That is the shortcut. Okay, plus sign on your keyboard. Okay, at the num block where the numbers are. Okay, that place actually, not the ones just under the functional case. So I'll press it once, and then I'll just come to the top, hold it, and drag it to the down. Now I have a different one, and I'll color it. Okay, so I'll just click on the cross sign here to remove the outline. Now I have this there. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I'll go back again and copy the details here again. Ctrl C, then I'll come to my projector flyer, Ctrl V. So I have it right there. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. In this case, I don't need this. I'll delete it, and then now I have brand the portable projector. So I want to copy that one also. So I'll come here and just copy it and paste. Okay, all right, paste it there. Now we have that one also there. Okay, let's increase this a bit, send it inside. Now we need to, okay, the shop now is here, and let's bring it down once a bit. Okay, so let's come with this arrow here by just drawing this. Then we convert it to curve by clicking on this, or right click on it and convert to curves. Take your shape to double click here, then you have it like this. Now just resize it. Let me see whether I'm doing the right thing. No, I'm not doing the right thing. Let me delete this. So let me come right here and okay, take the rectangle again, draw it nicely, then take your shape to convert to curve first. Alright, so we have it. Now come right here. Look at how the arrow is. Alright, so we are going to double click here. Double click here also. Alright, now you can bring this one in to the middle. This one to the middle. Now bring this one down a bit. You can use your arrow key to send it upwards. Now select this and send it inside. Now we have something very nice like that. Now click on it, remove the outline. Okay, so we are just going to bring it Ctrl Z to send it back. Then we have this here, something very nice like this. That is the arrow directing the amount. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here, the text, then I'll write the 2600. Okay, I'll change the font to Poppins because that's what I'm using. Okay, Poppins bold. I think this is too much, so have something like this. Now I'll bring it right here. Alright, so I'll click on the shape tool again and then close the gap a bit. Alright, so I have that there. Now you see we have 0.00, so just duplicate this and edit, double click and then edit it. So 0.00. Now this is what we have to do. Minimize it, then bring it here. Something very simple like that. Now you see that we have Ghana cedis on top of it, so take your text to write the GH, and then the C right now we don't have it there, so what should we do? We'll come to text right here and then we'll come to insert character. Okay, text and then what? Insert character. Alright, so I have it open right there. Okay, so I'll look for Ghana cedis in this box. So I'm just moving it. So let me just use this. Search for Ghana cedis. Wow, it will probably be at the top. Okay, this is it. So double click, then you have it there. Now I'll highlight that one alone and increase its font. Okay, to make everything equal. So I'll just decrease it a bit and bring it on top of this. Alright, so I have it there. Now you see it was 3000 at first, so this is what I'll do. I'll just highlight the whole thing here, duplicate it, bring this one here. Now I'll cancel this, just delete it. Now write the 3000 here there. Alright, so I'll have my 3000 there. So in this case I'm going to come right here and take my 2 points line and draw something that will cross it. Alright, so increase the size, then we have it there. I'll highlight everything again, hold my shift and minimize it a bit. So I'll send it to the top again. So simple, right? Now I'll go back to the first work done, then I'll copy the other details from there. So copy this. and then come to my projector flyer again and then paste it. Now I have it and everything just look the same. So because I'm done with it, I'll click on the cross sign to remove the outline. Now here we have it. Something very simple like this. So this is what I'm going to do again. I'll go back to my resources. So come right here, resources, and then take one of this. Okay, so in this case I'm going to take this. I just want to show you how I am able to remove the background before changing the color to white, red, or anything. Okay, so this is too big and I need to resize it. So just click on P. When you click on P, it will send the image into the center of your page. Okay, so I have it like this. This is what I'm going to do. I'll right click on it and then I'll go to trace, outline trace, then I'll go to logo. Okay, so when I come to logo, and then it will just remove the background for me. Okay, so look at it. This is the arrow thing in there and this is after. Just quick, right? Now I have it on top. Look at this. There's it. This is the before and this is the after. So let me delete the before. Now I have the after. So I can now change the color to anything that I want and then I'll resize it and use it right here. So that is basically what I have done. Because of time, that is why I've copied and pasted the thing right there. Now let me show you how you can deal with another one. Okay, let's come to the resources right here and use something like this. Okay, all right. So okay, let me bring it down. Then the Instagram logo is too big. Resize it well, press P, then you have it right there. To hide again, resize it again. So bring it to this side, right click, go to outline and then logo. So reduce the bitmap, don't worry, it will do the same thing. And have you seen it loading here? It is going to do automatic background removal. So we have it like this. Now this is the after and this is the before. So let's delete the before. So let's color this as orange again. Look at something. Have you seen this happening? It wasn't just the same as the first one that we have it perfectly, because it was having a background inside it and Corel wasn't able to detect that for us. So we have to do it manually, and this is very simple. Just undo and group it. That is Control U, or you can right click on it and come to ungroup. There's it. So right click, let me send this one away. So we have ungroup it. So we are going to do the coloring ourselves. So just click on this one, change the color to white. I will send it. This also to white, and this also to white. Now you have your logo just very nice like that, and you can just put it anywhere you want it in your design. So that is basically all about how you can come up with this flyer and how you can remove the background of some objects like logos and other embedded things that you wanted to use in your design. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Share the video to help your colleagues as well. Bye bye. The name still remains Francis Moti.